This is stuff no one talks about. I was unhappy. My mental health had started being affected. I felt, and the easiest way to describe it is like a wet cat backed into a corner. It was in that moment that I completely walked away and I had to rely completely on my faith. And especially because in that moment, we were also being told we couldn't dare open a center and be talking about Black providers taking care of Black patients, and we wouldn't get any funding to do it. Here we are thriving with that conversation. So I think that entrepreneurship involves a lot of faith. And I think for me personally, it's the politics and policy that I wish I would have known that I had to know and get more involved. I think one of the biggest things that we don't talk about when we talk about healthcare, especially, and increasing the pipeline, is the policies involved. Every Black midwife can't afford to go to graduate school. Every Black midwife can't afford to take on the debt, right? Or the time if you already have a family. We need our elected officials to get involved. Number one, to get rid of the standard care agreement that we see in Ohio. We're paying a collaborating physician to essentially sign off on our charts that we get some advice from, but that's a requirement from the state of Ohio, which limits a lot of Black providers from being able to start their own practices because they don't have the funding to be able to do that, nor do they have the resources to seek out a collaborating physician. So that's something huge, that the standard care agreement, payment for doulas, and even opening up the scope of midwifery in Ohio, that I am especially starting to get more involved now so that more Black midwives can walk away from these systems, keep their sanity, and then provide the care that we know that Black women need.